Got my buddy Chance's 1972 F250 Highboy even. This is what we call a scuff and shoot. It's a pretty straight truck. Mostly Chance wanted to get rid of the rhino lining that was covering the whole thing. Some reprobate covered the whole truck and bed liner. But he's repented. And so yeah, we're gonna do a little sealer coat on here and some blue. Actually that's the blue. Hard to see. Ooh, that's a good shot. Going with the restoration shop from TCB Global. We don't have a sponsor yet. So anyway, we'll get to work. So we got a little bit of prep to do. Like I said, this ain't gonna be fancy, but we're gonna scuff this so we get some color on the inside of the hood. And then we'll probably mask this off. So yeah. It ain't gonna look good, but it ain't gonna be bad. Or at least it'll be better. And that's all we can hope for. All right. After a few hours of masking, it looks horrible. No, it looks great for what it is. This is the old scuff and shoot. Okay. So we gotta paint the inside of the doors a little bit. We gotta figure out how we close that without getting paint on the paper. But it's pretty much ready to go. This is professional. I knew this would come in handy, finally! So we're mixing up some primer. Shake it like a Polaroid paint shaker. All right, we got a little primer laid down on the inside of the door. It actually sprayed out pretty nice for Kirker. It's pretty cheap stuff, but it works good. Had a little snafu with the paint gun, but we're gonna give Chance a try his hand at some primering for the first time. So here we go. Nice. Always wear a mask. Safety first. Don't be like us. Nice. All right, well, after a little mishap with my brand new Harbor Freight gun, you know, it's almost as if Harbor Freight doesn't care about their quality anymore. Anyway, we got the truck primed. You know, it's good from afar and it's far from good. But it's all one color now, and that's the goal. Time for color! Get a little sneak peek here. If I can do this one-handed. Ooh. Oh yeah, that is baby blue, baby. That's gonna look sweet. Well, good morning. Just thought I'd take a nice shot of the Falcon this morning with the dew. Is that the morning dew? Anyway, it's the next day, as you can see. I thought the camera died in the middle of my paint job, which it did, but I actually got most of it, but I wasn't able to follow up. So this is kind of the first view of the truck the next day. So I took some paper off already. I know, I should have waited. Here she is in all its glory. It's a little bit like Christmas, you know, I just can't wait to take the wrapping off. So yeah, we got a couple of different shades. Oh, it matches my phone. Blue, black, dirt. Yeah, you know, turned out pretty slick for garage paint job. You know, it was kind of like the fly in my Falcon. It had one moth that decided to die on the paint, but not before fluttering down and then getting stuck. So that's awesome. Tailgate. Yeah, pretty slick. Let's see what it looks like in the sun. Here's a good view of the roof. There's a nice hole there, but there is a spotlight that goes back in here, so don't you worry. Take a little of this off, you know, because it's fun. All right. So yeah, we didn't get super precise with our masking here because all these seals are going to get replaced. Ideally, you take the glass out first and then paint, but we were in a hurry and you know, mistakes were made, but I think we all learned a valuable lesson, and that is never trust Andrew with anything explosive. Well, let's see if it starts. You can probably see all the awesome body work from that angle. You know, it's far from good, but pretty good from afar. I really like the color. Let's sit out here in the sun a little bit. Supposed to be pretty sunny today, mid-60s, so perfect for baking on the garage paint job. Well, thanks again for watching Bitter-Swede Garage. Like, subscribe, comment, share with your friends. We'll get some more updates once Chance puts the grill on and stuff like that. We'll do a little follow-up later, but thanks for watching. job. Funny, everybody wants to be here for the paint job, but nobody wants to be here for the aftermath and cleaning it up.